I'm gonna push forward, keep moving along. Strength in my heart got me singing this song. I see the end, man, I ain't got that long. Ain't no turning back. Didn't come this far to turn back around. Going all the way, beat, don't fail me now. I'm rising up and I ain't looking down. Ain't no turning back.
Until these bitches bury me, all I can be is real. Ain't nothing fake about the game and all this pain I feel. War mentality, warrior on the battlefield. They knock me down and I'll never let it stop me still. It was sink or swim, all my niggas get it in. Every day I'm hustling, struggling not to see the pin. But if I go inside, y'all niggas better ride. After everything I did for y'all, I swear to God. Forgive me, Lord, I don't mean to use your name in vain. You know I'm trying to do right, look how much I changed. I left the streets alone, I even got a 9 to 5. I miss the hustle, but a nigga trying to stay alive. It's in my blood, so it's only a matter of time before I'm out there on that block and back up on my grind. It's just the name of this game that we play and survive. I mastered that, so it's time I deserve to shine.
I'm gonna push forward, keep moving along. Strength in my heart got me singing this song. I see the end, man, I ain't got that long. Ain't no turning back. Didn't come this far to turn back around. Going all the way, beat, don't tell me now. I'm rising up and I ain't looking down. Ain't no turning back.
First of all, with all the stress that I'm going through, it make me wish that it was still 1982. And I was never even born, wasn't placed up in the storm. And I stop and thank the Lord that I made it through. Like all else, the outcome could have been cemetery, crazy house, or life in the pen. Shell shock from the shit that my eyes seen. Bloodshot red won't come out with Visine. Damn, all my memories hurt. Can't even have my own drink, I'm pouring half in the dirt. And every day it's getting worse, for whatever it's worth. It's dead game till my casket in the hearse. King motherfucking Diamond. And they be hating that, barking all hard at the squad, acting like if they bite, we ain't shaking back. They say the gangsters fell off and can't make it back. Fuck them all, it's time to prove them wrong and pay it back.
I'm gonna push forward, keep moving along. Strength in my heart got me singing this song. I see the end, man, I ain't got that long. Ain't no turning back. Didn't come this far to turn back around. Going all the way, beat, don't tell me now. I'm rising up and I ain't looking down. Ain't no
After everything I've been through, I'm lucky it ain't fucking with my mental. I won't lie, I got a couple issues, nothing I can't get through. Ain't trying and won't even pretend to. I'm sorry, I ain't that forgiving. Remember when I was young and we was all alone? Wasn't no toys or no TV or no telephone. That's all my life, all we had was an old record player. Daddy, your killer, was running, ducking investigators. So we never entered the door, so we stayed on the go. So I never made friends, cause people would come and go. It's hard to find love, hard to find trust. In this life I live, nobody care about us. So you get it how you live, it is what it is. Penitentiary chances, and we trying to feed the kids. Tired of being broke, you tired of being down. Then get up off your ass, you can turn it all around. It's hard but it's possible, I can tell you for a fact. But nobody gonna help you until they see you try to scrap. When the road get rough, remember I said that. And call me if you need me and I got you, but it ain't no turning back.